In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Canva design to Google Drive. Whether you're creating stunning graphics for presentations or simply storing your designs for later use, the process is straightforward and convenient. So, let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to Canva's homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to enter your credentials and access your dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the button that says Create a Design. It should be near the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will provide you with several design options to choose from. For this example, let's select logo, but remember you can choose any template that suits your project. After choosing the logo template, you can browse through Canva's vast collection of pre-made templates, or start one from scratch. When you've locked in on the ideal design, take a moment to customize it to fit your needs perfectly. Add your colors, tweak the fonts, and adjust the elements until it looks just right. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save it by clicking on the Share button. This will be visibly located on the top menu bar. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. Here you'll want to focus on the option that says Download. Upon selecting Download, you're tasked with picking the file type for your design. For general purposes, PNG is a solid choice, but feel free to choose whatever format serves you best. Click Download again to initiate the download process. Your design will be saved to your device in just a moment. Now we'll move on to uploading this design to Google Drive, ensuring it's accessible wherever you go. Head over to your Google Drive by typing in the URL or clicking directly if you have it bookmarked. Once you're on the main Drive page, direct your attention toward the New button. You should find it on the left sidebar. Click this button to reveal a drop-down menu from which you'll select File Upload. A File Explorer window will pop up, enabling you to navigate through your device's storage. Locate the Canva file you just downloaded, select it, and click Open to start the upload. You'll notice the upload progress at the bottom right of the screen, and once complete, your design will be there in your drive, ready to be shared or accessed anytime you need it. And there you have it, a seamless way to upload Canva designs straight to Google Drive, ensuring they're securely stored and available on any device. This method simplifies your workflow, letting you focus more on creativity and less on logistics. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.